So today we're in sunny Nanango. We've got a sub-mains install job, underground cables. So far we've pulled the cables out to length. Nathan on the machine, awesome guy. If you need anybody, reach out to Nathan. Yeah, so plan is now we're just going to feed the conduits over the cable. Nathan's just marking out for his trenching. We do it this way because once we glue it all together, we put it alongside the trench. And then basically once that happens, we can just roll the conduit in. It will already be glued together, which makes it a much quicker and easier way to do these long runs. So the run itself is 120 meters long. The cables that we're using are 95mm aluminium. So yeah, stick with us guys. I'll add another video once we get rolling, once we get the trenching done. I'll take some video of that as well and show you exactly what we're doing. I'll show you the main board, and I'll show you the shed, and we've also got some first and second fix power to do in the shed as well. So stick with us guys and we'll keep you informed. Cheers. Here you have it guys, so this is Nathan. Nathan's one of the best machine operators in the South Burnett, so yeah, look for Nathan on Facebook. It's Off Your Rocker, and you'll find him there for all his contact details. What I will do is I'll add a comment anyway with all Nathan's details. So just looking up the trench, there's Murray just doing a bit of backfill. I've just taped up to where Murray is at the moment. So there you can see conduit. That's where we've got to start gluing again. So as we glue, we let it dry, we drop it in. But we can't do that just yet because we've almost caught Nathan up. So we'll give it Nathan a few more meters and then we'll carry on and start to get this conduit back in and a bit of backfill. So this is the sub-mains. So we've got cables into board, conduits in the ground. We've been able to get it at 650, which is awesome. We've backfilled, and then obviously we've got some tape, and I'll show you that as we go down. So we've got our 95mm tails. They're going to be connected and joined with the blocks, and then obviously just in here, this is going to be replaced for a 4-way. Basically once we break gauge the cables, we'll have the new supply from here which goes down to the shed. I will post a bit more about the shed. As you can see, we just started a backfill. Cable comes up through the ground, transitions into corrugated, and then we've landed it into the bottom of the board. Trench, we've just backfilled this by hand at the moment just to give Nathan a bit more of a chance. So this ground is super hard, so Nathan's making his way through, but it's taken a bit longer than we anticipated, so we've just been backfilling by hand as we go. So you can just see the tape here. So the tape's just at 300 from the ground level. So the trench itself is 650, conduits laid on the deck, backfilled. Tape is then 300 from the top of the trench. G'day guys, so just another quick update. We're almost to the end now of the shed. Nathan's just doing his work there. Just going to show you the conduit in the ground and the beautiful sweep that we've managed to put in the conduit. So we're just below 600 in the ground there. Just that last little bit to go. As you can see, there's the machine. Probably got about 8 meters left. And we can drop the conduit in. Then we can start backfilling this last loop. G'day guys, Mark from Powersafe. Today we're back at the Nanango job, the trenching job that we started the videos we took the other day. So basically everything's been second fixed now, and I'll show you what we've been doing. So as you're aware, we had the trenching. Now there's 120 meters of trenching been dug up and backfilled, cable in the ground. I've been knocking off the board today, and Sam and Murray have been doing the power and lighting inside. So here's where the conduit comes through from underground. Earthing point all done. Board. So basically we've got 2 circuits, 2 power circuits, 1 lighting circuit and main switch. We've just finished off the testing. Everything's tested out really good. So that's the board. We'll just show you inside. Pretty straightforward with the work inside, guys. It's just 2 batten light fittings and there's 4 GPOs basically. So we've got light switch, which has gone to 2 batten lights, one just above you and one over the back. And then we've got 2 10 amps and 2 15 amp GPOs. So we've got a 10 here. As you can see, we've opted for conduit in the channel. We've got the inset boxes. That's a big wasp trying to attack me. Inset boxes, which are awesome for this sort of work. So we've got a 10 amp GPO there. Another 10 amp, and obviously we've just carried up to the lights to make things easy for us. Another 10 there. And just around the corner, guys, we've got 2 15s. So basically this one is going to be for the refrigeration unit. So this is going to go into the corner here and obviously plugged into this one. And this other 15 here is for a smoker. So these belong to the customer. He's going to move these and set all this up. So we've just finished testing. We've just completed earthing, insulation resistance and RCD testing. Everything's tested out perfect. So this one's a good to go.